Alright, now that we've added the basic elements to our form, we gotta kind of add some tweaks to it in order to get it to work properly online. So first, let's click this green tab over here that says Access this application. And this is going to give us what it actually looks like. So I wonder if, let's see, somewhere here, so here I'm using Firefox and I logged in to Zoho with Firefox. If I want to see what this page would look like to somebody who is not logged in, as long as I didn't log in with my other browser, I could just go to a different browser and paste this in there. Let's see if okay, you see what I get over here is that all of a sudden with this link that the users should be able to see, my form, well, they have to log in. So the first thing is we have to make this form public by anybody. You can't just have someone who has a Zoho account to be able to fill out your form, right? That doesn't make too much sense. So let's go to the Settings tab, and underneath there is Application Settings. And okay, application name, we left it. Oh, here's the application link. So here's the direct link to it as it stands, and you could edit this, but it doesn't matter. You don't need to mess with this because this is going to be code that we're going to embed in our page. So you leave this alone. And right here it says sign in using, and you could say Zoho, Google, Google Apps, Yahoo, and then whether or not you want to show their logos over there. Basically, Zoho is saying that you could require users to have to log in to access your form, and the options are their Google account, their Google Apps account, or Yahoo account. And that's just because of this option right here. Make this application, by default, it's set to private, which is a good thing because, you know, while we're building this stuff, we want to make sure it's private, and when we're ready to actually for it to be live, if you will, we can make it public, and we're going to do just that. And by making it public, it overrides these options over here. And if we want, why don't we see if we could copy? Oh, well, we got that other, I think we have that other link, should be good. So let me click done. And now I'm going to go back to Safari. And, oh, okay, here we go. I could take that out. You see that now I'm going back to that same domain over here, that same URL, creatorzoho.com, Dragos Bogdan, and then aquarium contact, with the difference being that it says HTTPS, which is good. That means it's a secure page. And if I click that now, cool. Now it's public. Although, you know, I hope my form doesn't necessarily show this option over here, but that's okay because I'm not giving it to users this way. I'm going to give it embedded into my main site. Okay, so that's the first step to actually making the site public, and it's a very important step.